Okay, audio is good here. Let me double check here. Audio, video check. Feedback loop is closed. This is good here. This is good here. That's cool. All right, good morning, everybody. Friday, August 15th, 9:05 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SuperAreas.com in person as well as online. Um, Happy Independence Day for Indian residents, anywhere you're celebrating. So, 15th August. Again, don't show up to Ridgeway because the ban is still there. So you have to make sure that you don't get any tickets or anything. A couple of guys I know went there. They parked on the street and walked. Still okay. So it'll be a pretty, jam packed again tonight. So city of Mississauga still has the effect on for these 3 days, 14, 15, and 19, because 19 Afghanistan independence. So these 3 days they don't want anybody to just show up. So anyway, that's let's see what is on our audio video should be okay. We're good on Zoom, we're good on live stream, we're good on YouTube, we're good on Instagram today, and we are good on Telegram. What is going to happen is there's a bit of a volatility news online, but retail sales that happened. I didn't see a huge spike in the news. So where is important is 10 o'clock today. So University of Michigan consumer sentiment is very important. Now we have a red impact news listed, which is called President Trump Speaks, because of I don't know, it just says tentative because he is meeting the president of Russia, Mr. Putin, to figure out this war that is happening in Ukraine for quite few, at least a couple of years now, 3 years. So all of that needs to be resolved. And according to Mr. President of the US, he can get in between these two guys and sort it out. But let's see, time will tell. We just stay away from the market when volatility like this comes. But right now, we are worried about 10 o'clock economic news, University of Michigan, high impact. So we'll go with the areas. Areas are updated. Anything from 9 o'clock until 12 p.m. when the European closes, the market. Anything I say here is just informational and educational and entertainment purposes. Nothing is financial advice. You make money, congratulations. You lose money, you should have used the stop loss. That's all I can say here. Um, what is how did market react last night? Let's take a look at um, 15th morning. So where are we in terms of area? So we'll decide my plan. I'm still um, a short guy. Markets is all-time high. So it's outside of bands. I'm gonna go and start my other chart analysis so I can get this going. We don't have Daniel's brief on Friday. So, but what will happen is, of course, there are classes that are already recorded on our website. SuperAreas.com. What will you see is on every video, now you will have 4 sections: timeline, briefing document, overview. So we're working with AI agents to kind of transcribe everything and update it. So they'll make your job a lot easier. So you want to pick up a certain point in his video, you'll be able to do. So that'll be updated by Monday. And I will try to get a black candle rejection strategy exact video. We just happened here right now at this as we were speaking, and it gave us 4 ticks. So, and I'll explain you everybody what is a black candle strategy that I've been testing for 3 months, and it has given me at least 4 ticks every time. So pressure is down, base is down, market strike price comes to 780 as yesterday. Sales is on the, what was the news today? Core retails, University of Michigan. So last night's high is 963. But interesting, excuse me, enough, very close to what was on Thursday. So on Wednesday. So 23,963 is my high, 23,871 is my low, 92-point push. Right now we are 894. So very close to S1. So we're close to S1. I'm not buying in at this level of S1. I'm actually just planning to short somewhere around 40. So R2 is my number for today. 24,000, 40, 50, 60 is, and stop loss, you have to have 19 ticks because until other next black candle. So 4 ticks and 19 ticks. So 24,000, 40. So since you're doing live account, 40 is okay. 42 micros, leave it for until, I'm actually already short from 9:30. Let's see if I have some fish that I caught last night with 2 micros. So 2 micro में फंस जाती है, रात को लगा दो कहीं ना कहीं से. ये देखें जी, $62 बने हुए हैं, $62 बने हुए हैं लाइव अकाउंट पे 940 पे. So sorry, not more than 62 plus 53, $115. So let's close this trade and let's see. So with MNQ, couple of MNQs just going in and out of a trade is relatively easy. You know where to enter in the zone. And I can hold this trade overnight, so I don't have to worry. But for those doing live trading, 24,040 is reasonable for me. This is what I would do. Again, nothing is financial advice, but something you guys can figure out on your own. Okay, so right now we're close. ES, let's take a look at ES. We have a highs and lows of 60. I think 6508 now became the highest. This has now become the highest of the highest ever. 6508 has become correct. There's nothing higher than 6508. So ES has made another record high. NASDAQ, maybe. It has to break, I would say, what does it have to break? 24,060 would be the highest, 68. The gap between 150 and 60 is how much? Let's see, maybe it's a Friday and they'll break another higher high. 150 minus our expected high is 24,140, 150. Where are we right now? 23,896. Yeah, 24,068 minus 23,896. 172 points. So it is possible that it can go to expected high. And ES, I am planning to sell personally 20. Give me a second. Expected high 8. 8 is 4. So 65.32. Yeah, exact. The area. So 65.32 is my ES number. 65 expected high because R2 is last night's high and it's not that far from here, 64.96 minus 65.08. Only 12 points that can break through because right now price is inside R1 of ES and price is inside S1 for NASDAQ, very close to S1. And what's the difference between them? Today is 34 divided by 6. So it's around 5. Every time ES will move 1 point, NASDAQ should move 5. Generally, then it will come down to 4, 3. That's the correlation between them. So, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos, the sessions that past sessions we've been doing. If you go on the sessions, for every session, you can timeline, briefing document, audio, video. So 8 reports get generated by AI. And this is a pretty cool feature. And which is searchable. हाँ जी हाँ क्योंकि वो pivot से नीचे है ना तो one base is above S1 and here you have it below the line. So between base means below pivot or above pivot. If base is down, more chances are it will go and try to touch night session low. If the base is up, it will go, more chances are. So because ES base is up, if you look at since almost 6 o'clock in the morning, 30-20 is going flat. It has no curve. That chart has no direction. Price is consolidating around 6,500. So around this time, because to be honest, globally, everybody has fear. This is too high. It's gonna, so not only what we see it, everybody sees this is like since the birth of NASDAQ and since the birth of S&P 500, since the birth of Russell, things are all-time high, right? So, and gold, of course, keeps touching. So we are living through very, very exciting times, as we should say it. Everything is, every day I come and I'm so excited. Why? NASDAQ, I can pick 2 micros, I can throw it in the air and it can land somewhere and give me $200. Right? So $300, $400. So, and if you're doing multi accounts, of course, you're able to do it. So,
S1 is done.
नहीं S1 तो नहीं डन हुआ अभी तो मॉर्निंग स्टार्ट हुआ है अभी तो R1 पे ES तो R1 पे yeah, but that was previously that time before like so the area started roughly around 8:45 so 8:40 nothing has been done since then so 9:30 opens. Let's see which way it goes. It should go down. Technically, it's all-time high. People who have bought it should get some profits. When they start getting some profits, there's a volume there. So
S1,
I'm not taking any S1. I'm not taking any S2. I'm not buying. I'm going high to go low. When the price goes to, let's say, expected high now, breaks R2, because R2 can break the moment market opens because it's already, and if it makes a newer high around 35 or so, then I can sell from there. It's better for me to sell rather than, because if everybody starts selling and this support breaks, then I will lose. And then S2 breaks, maybe around S3, but I'm doing high to go low. So no buying happening for me.
both in
NQ and ES. So NQ, I have given personal number. I'm planning somewhere around R2. So 24,000, 60, 40 is my entrance. Because here I'm skipping R1. So because 100-point push, but I'm going towards R2. So that's my personal. Some users will take every area for hit and run, right? They'll take S1, they'll take R1, they'll take R2. It's just because NASDAQ just opens at 9:30 and it can shoot up. So better to, wait for the price to settle. And I want to keep an eye on 10 o'clock news because it is really, really good and important.
So one
Mm-hmm.
here, what this mean? Like,
Yeah, ignore it. They just say 40% off.
yeah.
Yeah,
And
so it's the same price. And if you pass it, they may return your money.
Is that a better deal?
It's the same.
'Cause they
One up
say-
trader is 65. It's expensive. Go with Bullnox. So this is $90. Take profit. So they all are within the same range.
Then, I mean, no activation fee. These are all like, it's more or less the same.
Same. So again, similar price. Hmm. 2682. I gotta fix this. Good morning, G. Hello. Mid-band worked, but this was again one of those where 30-20 is not. Market is dead at the moment. Just ठीक है सर उनसे कहें 18 साल से वो सिखा रहे हैं तो आप कह रहे हैं बहुत आला भाई सिर्फ पहला वाला लिया करें ना आपने भी तो सारे लेने होते हैं ठीक है वो ले लें जब वो फेल होंगे आप कहेंगे यार फिर मैं वापस बैठ अभी नहीं हो रहे तीन माइक्रो
ट्रम्प की वजह भी कॉपी के साथ
Yeah, I'll explain black candle rejection around 11 o'clock. Super.
आपको किसको बोला क्या सोच के ये बोले शायद वो बोले क्यों करते हो बाइक
It's on.
Order submitted.
लो जी 9:30 वो घोड़ों वाला खुलता है ना It's okay. Why? थोड़ा एनालाइज तो करें यार कि क्या हो रहा है इस साइड पे आ रहा है
वो जोर से लगी 30-20 का ही चल गया इलेक्शन
गुड मॉर्निंग जी I hope somebody's in short. Yeah, and if you're short, you're done. I'm short, by the way, still. 40 से MNQ. So the price is coming to S1 now for your S&P 500 and your NASDAQ. Both markets are now inside S1. नहीं नहीं मैंने बाइंग करनी नहीं है जी
नंबर दिया
नंबर दिया
नहीं नहीं एक्सपेक्टेड लोग नीचे आने दे जितना आने दे
अभी वो नीचे आई
First mid band worked. अब मिड बैंड छोड़ दे देखिए एक हो गया ना पहला अब छोड़ देना अब आगे ना ले बस खत्म हो गया अब पहला ही लेना होता चला है ठीक है कुछ भी है एक पहला रिवर्सल आ गया दैट्स इट फर्स्ट मिड बैंड इज डन
आप ले सकते थे उसका
सॉरी हाँ वो आता है लेकिन I like I've tested it on 30 15 10
Gross realize this after light threshold is done.
Everything is done.
Whatever is remaining.
Yes. But this is Bullnox.
Yeah.
You should open Rhythmic app, and that's where you will find exactly the amount. Guys, I'm not buying today. Keep saying I'm not buying anything today. I'm not buying. Price is ridiculously high, so maybe because if it reverses today, we could. S1 is officially done now. I'm not buying. Maybe 600, 23,600. I'll go and get in and get out, but I'm not in a buying mood whatsoever, personally. So where did we get? 23, still falling. Let it fall. 3,011. $15.10 has a divergence now. Price went lower low, but your BBs and everything did not. Let me fix my template here.
Yes. What?
Divergence line came. Let's see. That mid-band passed as well. Even divergence. Mid-band gave us a couple of points. That is done. Lately, we've been seeing divergence on 1510. The first one generally is failing. Let's see. हाँ फिर उसके अंदर ही गिर गए. So 860, today's low is 850. So it bounced exactly from our S1. So S1 did work. 23,850 was the low. 23,870 was the high. Ten o'clock we have news, so just be careful. It could change. Let's see if I can get my truth.
Waiting is to just sell at 6.32.
Yeah.
No other trade.
No. Why? I already made my money for the day, so I don't.
शॉर्ट ही कर देना
खो चुका है 940 से शॉर्ट पे था 850 पे निकला 2 माइक्रो
तो रिजेक्शन लगाएगा longer the rejection higher the
843 still falling, so it's gone below S1 now.
और diversion हुआ diversion means very good
Yep. Hmm? Hey, Daniel.
How are you?
Curious girl, long time, man.
Yeah, did you receive my message?
I didn't. My inbox is so full, but I will double check. You can say it now.
I came for a take profit.
Okay, okay.
They talk me after it.
Okay, I can try to do it. Lots of space, man. Sit a bit comfortable. You have.
What's going on? It's not busy like before.
right the room is almost full.
It's the internet here. People get a bit because 50 people every morning try to log in. So that's where. क्या चीज ले लिए ले लेंदे यार मैं तो ले लिया सी अकाउंट चला गया हाँ I don't know उनसे चैट करें what's going on ये नहीं मालूम चैट कीजिएगा क्या हुआ कहीं ट्रेड खुला तो नहीं छोड़ा गया था कभी चल देखें बात पूछ लें उनसे So it's trying to break your S1 now, heading towards S2. Chart में जल्दी पैसे बनते हैं यार Yeah.
No slow चल रहा
अभी 10 कल पड़ी है और वो डायरेक्शन हमारी
है शॉर्ट करें
We're getting into very close to S2 now, guys. Be ready around if anybody wants to take S2. We are 790 to 770 is the number. Let's see if S2 respects. And we're 14 minutes away from the news, high impact news. So just be careful. ES has broken S1. NASDAQ is very close to S2. Russell is down as well as that is down. Dow is down.
770.
That's the number from 790 to 770. So if maybe you want to take 785, it's up to you. We're inside. So lowest it came is 803. Making a newer low, 802. Almost 140 point it has fallen. $797. We are coming into the zone of S2. Very close. Let's see if it respects our 785. I took a demo trade on 785. Let's see. I've entered at 785. No, sir. Sell kyun karunga? I'm testing this theory of 85 and 40. I placed it at 745, 785. And it did give me 5 full points. From 785 to, I entered at 745. I got out at 790. 10 points. Done, Ji. Congratulations. So our area is done almost. Officially, S2 is done for NASDAQ and our areas got respected. Everything is done, Ji. So if you're done और बहुत जोर से ट्रेड आया है, ऑर्डर लगा लें S3 पे जाके और वाक पे निकल जाएं, खुद ही ऑर्डर पिक हो जाएगा. 640 is the next number, 23,640. So don't go aggressive again.
640?
Yeah, 23,640, NASDAQ. अभी जाने दें, इसको गिरने दें, जितना गिर सकती है गिरने दें. Now, right now, it's testing the bottom range of S2. Gold is as low as previous candle, 60-minute previous.
Many are waiting at 640.
If they like, yeah. If somebody took the current number, they're done. I mean, S2 is done. Now, the next number is from 630 to 700. So I'm planning 640. ये ना पूछे, ये ना पूछे. ये dangerous question है, ये ना पूछे. ये पूछा तो इसका मतलब है अभी आपको फिर माजिद भाई के साथ भेज दूंगा. सपोर्ट जोन हैं, बाय बनता है क्योंकि प्राइस गिर रही है ना, तो हमने अगेंस्ट द ट्रेंड उठाना है. There you go, it has fallen below that. The 785 to our 798, our S2 is officially done. ES is rejecting from 74. So 74, it didn't get to 71, close. Maybe this one more mid-band and goes down. Maybe. So the difference is 132 divided by 12. $11 difference now. Big, बहुत बड़ा हो गया. इसी ट्रेड में तो नहीं है? अच्छा ठीक है. No problem. लिया कुछ हल्का फुल्का चलती गाड़ी में बैठ के, ठीक है. So ES should at least bounce. This mid-band could work, could not, because your boxes, one box is sitting inside, other one is above the value area. Where's the value area today? Value area at 60. हाँ, मैं कहा यार गोल्ड की वैल्यू मैं हैरान हूँ यार. That's not the London value area. 774, it is still falling. There you go. We're at the bottom zone of S2 now. Finally, I think today is the Friday. 6 minutes to go, guys, before news. Everything is off the table. Just remember. 6 minutes. $72, very close to our S1. Very. There you go, Jatan Baji. Congratulations. Took 10 points from S2. They're done. Messages start to come in. Congratulations.
आपने सर ने अभी पे किया कितना टाइम एक्टिव होता है
कैसे?
मेरा अकाउंट
इंस्टेंट होता है? हाँ हाँ, डैनियल के पास पेमेंट जाती है, सिस्टम ने करना है, आपने नहीं करना। अगर आपने पे कर दिया तो वो खुद ही एक्टिव हो जाता है। हाँ, वो तो पहली दफा तो करनी है ना। आप लॉग इन करें। हाँ, वो तो उसका कोई मसला, लॉग इन करें। अभी ना हुआ मैं देख लेता हूँ। All right, bottom range is done too of our area. S2 is officially done. Look at the divergence. So that midband is risky, just saying. It's coming from an area and it has a divergence. So Daniel, I think you have to slow down. I logged in and I was scared. Number up there I saw is number of how much money you have given to Apex, man. Yeah, no, I just look at the number of account.
Yeah.
So you go to take profit.
I think so.
I think you're done here.
Few days ago, I had 7 meeting. All of a sudden I saw that it's a 70.
70 mini.
No, instead of 7, I saw 70.
Okay.
You have to hold the bottom to go to 70.
Yes. No, maybe you scrolled, you put it inside, and if you
No, I just go to 7.
okay, watch this. I show you on the board how 7 became 70. Watch this. I wrote 7 here, right?
Yeah.
And I forgot my mouse is inside. And watch what I'm just moving my cursor. You see? You see my cursor is moving? And that is changing my number. So I'm like, I'm trying to go on the board, but it's moving my quantity. So you are sitting inside it and you're moving your scroll and it's moving it too. Dangerous, dangerous. So,
You remember those 20 accounts?
yes, yes,
It was down.
yes.
That day, it's I down $4,000.
I know. It's crazy,
It
man.
was finished. You remember you told me
I
to
know.
slow down.
I know.
Said, yes, of course.
So you got to know by experience.
Oh, I've done every type of dumbest thing possible on Ninja Trader. I've not seen the, I was looking at micro and it was mini. I put in wrong. One day I woke up, NASDAQ trade was on whole night, live account, and not in my favor, not in my favor, right? So,
By the way, thank you. You to her my phone number.
yes, yes, yes. She got payouts, man. Yes, yes. Because then I want you to form a community and then I can start pushing all these because it's primarily Indian Pakistani, right? And I know you guys keep slapping me, switch to English, switch to English.
Yes, she's just 6 minutes away from.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Expected low, which number? 23,640 is my number. I'm planning 23,640 to buy. So you are building a kind of an SRES here. Midband did work even after divergence, but because the yellow box kind of came inside the midband. 10 points done, 3 PA accounts. Congratulations. There you go. Perfect. Guys, 2 minutes to go to the news. So please, unless you're in evaluation, keep your hands off. You're going to get burnt.
And usually they put huge smart money.
Yeah, it's just
After the news is done or
no, while they're speaking.
As they speak, they get to know what they're about to speak and which way it's going, so they decide that right there.
One minute to news. So very uncertainty, just 7 seconds. 5, 4. Let's see. Done. In our area worked, guys, for S2. Sorry, S1. 68 bottom number. News is done. So there you go. So news came red.
So you don't want just read out.
No, just because I actually don't even care about news. I just don't want to trade during news because this is very high impact, and you see it went down almost 11 points in a blink of an eye, and now it's trying to pull up. So S2 officially got done for our ES. So I touched S2, and if you took S2 on ES, you're done. Is it S2? Give me a second. Yeah. Yes.
दोनों ग्रीन है
Beautiful trade from S2. What a big push. Because I was watching yesterday, these numbers were yesterday's S1, became today's S2. So it pulled up big. 8. So what's the lowest today? Went to 770. 100 points. First mid band, let's see. Because fib boxes are up on 30-20. I think we should have a good blue boxes there too. I think you're kind of done. Still trying to. Missed हो गया? कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. Let's see. Give us. There you go. Mid band is done. First pullback because it should go at least 64.94. The boxes on 30-20 are around 64.93. There you go. First pullback, mid band is done. And it was a so पहला attach खुद ना क्या करें वो नहीं चलता most of the time. हाँ हाँ no bro. पहले order लगा के रखें और उसको pull up करने. All right. So the first mid band is done too, going up. And I hope from here on to 94, it should, if the fib boxes work. Well, now we are touching our S1 as a resistance. Just remember that. S1 is coming as a resistance now. So breaking down the news, consumer sentiment, they're feeling less optimistic about the economy, and expectation of inflations are high. That's why the market went down crazy. And all right. That's it. Ice cream truck आया हुआ चॉकोबार की कैलोरीज जो है ना तो
कॉन्शियस करिए कुछ खा भी नहीं सकते सबसे पहले होता है कहते हैं कि
1510 has a divergence right now, so that just be careful because the price went to higher high. Your did not. There you go.
अकाउंट में मेरा इनएक्टिव दिखा है
Okay, मुझे आप any desk दें.
6
एक सेकंड
36
एक सेकंड दोबारा कहें
886
886 जी जी 48 एक्सेप्ट करें. There you go, mid-band worked even after divergence. अभी आपने पेमेंट कर दी है थ्रू? ओके, 1 second. Two minutes. I'm just gonna double check what's going on here. Sorry?
415
Sorry. SRES is building on there, but let's see how strong or weak that is. Can you try to log in now? Okay, now you will put in that code and it should be okay. GG? Five. Yeah. So while this is happening, I can explain you quickly take profit because it is the best and for you it's recommended. I have to like I'm like a doctor and I change the prescription. You know, because for you वो उर्दू में कहते हैं माफक नहीं आ रही दवाई. वो can I say how many accounts you? He's rich. He's filthy rich. He's filthy rich.
In a few hours.
All right. If you want to see a guy who's a pure gambler, so this is one of those things I don't like to endorse. He's mega rich with blessings of God. He has restaurants. You can go check out his burgers, and it's a good food, right? But that's not he's not a good. He's very he needs discipline. Discipline. When I tell him to slow down, he goes aggressive. So now I've changed. I'm changing his prescription from Apex to Take Profit, because what happens is he's disciplined 4 days, 5 days. Apex has 8 days. Eighth day things go bad, right? So that's why I said let's push you into, because there are no number of days you can get payout same night, right? So the amount of money you've given to Apex, oh, Vice, everything is the same. There's no.
You don't have it.
No, you still have a pass. You still got a pass, but it's better than Apex. Much, much better than Apex. 100 हो गया जी आपका
No, then you have to have the PA. For example, I calculate
Once you decided, you have to just leave. But before you have to make all the where you will put it. And then all the 7 years or something. After all that, for him, he said, like, you better read until
Okay, give me your AnyDesk, and then I will set up your thing. Just WhatsApp. 872. Good.
1748
Okay.
266.
One-
Number 86 666 56.
174.
Yeah. 2666
Two, six.
56.
But you make
That's 666.
174 266.
6 5 6. Instead of 3, I have 4.
I think I'm reading it wrong.
1748.
No, it's see, it's a red. It needs to be green.
Oh, okay.
1748. One second. 1748. Okay, accepted, please.
so you should put your file here. File. Any areas, huh? 30 minutes areas. So any area you can't pick edge within that place. You just put
Because the amount of energy you're putting in, it's a better output.
Resistance. Can you go?
No, let's try to sign up. If it has,
very
Yes.
fast. It goes at least
I think maybe try the password. Can you check your email? Double divergence right there on ES.
These are same. Definitely you can sell. And it happens only once. If you see many things, if you test, then you because you can spend that with the guaranteed release the first off. That can happen again, but
Yeah.
first one is the most trustable.
दो लेने मुझे दे AnyDesk वो जितना निंजा में क्या अच्छा आप जाएं ninjatrader.com आपके पैसे पहुंच गए उनको? अच्छा, आप जाएं कंट्रोल सेंटर में, कॉन्फ़िगर में, और वहां से सिर्फ पिक कर लें निंजा ट्रेडर और अपना ईमेल और पासवर्ड डाल दें तो कनेक्ट हो जाएगा लाइव।
Now it is mid, right? Because there is no support our system in any area.
Yeah.
If we work for 60 minutes. Yeah, they shine big because the
नंबर दीजिए एनी डेस्क।
that doesn't mean to always say 30.
हाँ हाँ जुड़े, सिर्फ सेल देख लीजिएगा, इनकी सेल खत्म कब होनी है। हमें एक ईमेल आई हुई है ना, तो इनकी टेक प्रॉफिट की सेल है, फिर ठीक है, फिर मंडे को
Like I said, grants you like have something.
that's
Even this takes small thing.
live accounts of ninjatrader.com. Sign up, send money live. सेम ही है, वही है, वहीं पर सब बाय। नहीं, वो इनके जो लोग लाइव के साथ होल्ड भी कर सकते हैं उनके लिए स्लाइटली डिफरेंट। होल्ड के लिए एक माइक्रो $2,500 चाहिए, एक माइक्रो, 2 5,000, 3 15,000, 4 20,000, हर एक 2500 मैंने रखा हुआ है, क्योंकि लेट्स सपोज मैंने इनको एक नंबर दिया है 24,040, that if the price goes there, sell 2 micros, make 40 points, which is good. If he doesn't, we can hold it. So for against we saw holding, so that's how correct. Okay, so it means you're not set up. So let's sign up. नहीं, उसके अंदर रखने के लिए ना, एक माइक्रो के अंदर एवरेज नहीं होगी ना, एक तो एक ही रहेगा। तो आप जितने फंड्स हैं उस हिसाब से देखें। अब उनके पास 6 माइक्रो के फंड्स हैं, 6 तक वो होल्ड कर सकते हैं। अब 6 का क्या है, 2500 टाइम्स 6, 15,000 दिया हुआ, राइट। अब रिटर्न क्या है, एटलीस्ट $100 बन जाता है। बहुत भी बुरा हो तो 200 भी, यानी 100 से 200 बन जाता है। यस एरिया से खेलना है, कोई आउटसाइड नहीं है. मैं आज कोई ट्रेड नहीं लगा. So we're planning the price to go to 24,040. We'll sell from there. We'll hold it for a few days, but minimum 40 points. So if you have two micros, that's $4. That's $160 profit. So that could happen every other, But right now the price is somewhere in R1 zone. Double divergence came down. Let's see. Sorry, on the other office, Tulip couldn't go. On the highway, somebody hit her car. So too fast, moving too fast. Temptation, no temptation. Sit down and wait for a setup to be formed. Don't go in crazy. See, until now, we don't have a three candle setup at all. I don't see anything.
You need water, something still you do?
Yeah, water, no.
Water, something.
Yeah, I did it once or twice, but it's a little tough. Okay. Now check your email and click verify.
Taste it, like me. No. Like NASDAQ, your weight will come down. How to do it?
Check your spam mail. Check one second. Anything go under other? Can we search take profit? One second. No, but we need to. आ गया मुझे मैसेज आ गया हाँ मेरा ख्याल है कि उनका आज सेशन तो नहीं हो पाएगा No problem. She got into an accident. Somebody hit her from behind and she hit the car in front. So too many tabs. Where is the okay. Is this the right inbox? How come you're not? There you go. Finally, when goes to junk mail. So 10:30 a.m. Where did it go? Why? How can I?
Before 8:30, you want to trade, then you go for the
Areas.
evening areas.
Evening areas. Correct. Correct. Where does it open, Daniel? Why? Do you have a different email? Hot Gmail? Any? Okay, let's sign up.
So ES is going towards S2. So again, it won't.
It's already done. Area is done. So now will it test that as a support or will it break it? So not recommended. Let me copy this so that way it has the same one. We'll use the same password. Is this the email? Good. Phone number. $33.06. इनका चल गया इनका It's good, sir. Patel. It's okay. हो गया? Okay, good. Telecom rejoin करवा लें. Take care जी. Good. देखा ना आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चीजें सही होनी शुरू हो गई. वेट करना. खुद से कर रहे हैं ज्यादा बेहतर है ना. Very good. Congratulations.
जो फाइल लगा
$30.20 has a 3-candle rejection right now. $30.20. Sell बनता है. No, I know. मुझे मेरा हाल देखा कि नहीं. अभी सिर्फ मैं 2 मार्केट करता हूँ, गोल्ड को नहीं देखता. गोल्ड को सिर्फ ये देख लेता हूँ. Back to 850.
If that happens, do other click. No, you do other click. Then it will work. Other click. Middle is also good. Mainly it's like where new buyers are sitting right. You should put that because where new buyers are, then the price will go high. You will lose your chance of what you learn.
So you guys have plans to celebrate Independence Day somewhere? Like, maybe go drinking and then partying and just don't. $90, $100. But here's the good thing: you finish it in 1 month, no PA fee. You don't have to pay the 130 after. So
Just one shot.
one shot.
That's better than $8.
I said we're changing your.
$140. Then you pay.
Correct. So I'm changing your prescription. Time to make. Correct. This is $90, $100. Don't worry.
Then I can add it later on for more account.
Yeah. But we'll do one for now, and then I will. I think they're running a great promotion that if you pass within a month and you get a payout, they will include this 90 back to you too. So they're running. They take profit.
I think she told me it's going to be finished by today or tomorrow.
Okay. Just please check your thing. Maybe your card is declining because of bank security. Maybe you got an alert. Double check because it's saying that 840. 840 हमारा नंबर था ना somewhere 4 दिन पहले 840 था ना वहां से एवरेज करके 940 पे लगाया
That's it.
Yeah, because it's first company, first time.
You did yes? Try a different card maybe?
No, same one. It
It-
says that, yes, exactly.
Try again.
You took 50,000 account, yeah?
Yes. Which one?
Yes, first one.
We can, I mean, the trading would be there till 11 today or just
They
4?
take it $140.99.
Yeah, which is Canadian. Yeah. See, the thing is, trade market will close at 5 o'clock. Yeah, Canadian, but it's a 100 US dollars. So your trade opens at until 5 o'clock. Certain companies want you to not trade after 4:15. So his account, all great. One up just closed it yesterday because computer froze. By the time he got back on, he lost his good evaluation, which was so 4 o'clock. Just consider you're done. Now I leave around 12. So from 9 to 12, I'm doing my presentation, right? So because after 12, because when Daniel used to lead this, he would kick you guys out at 11. He says, you didn't make money by 11, I don't care, right? So because that's where the most volume is. I'm staying 1 extra hour because I wait for your close, which is 12 o'clock. So from 12 till 4, yes, you can trade, no problem. Huh?
On Friday.
Friday is 5 o'clock close.
After that, they open only
Sunday and 6. Correct. Sorry. So it's the same thing. We are logging into Tradeaway, but with take profit information. We're gonna set up the documents. We'll do everything. So always do Tradeaway first, and then this has very less crashing. We've been testing for 1 year. Much easier rules, and
After this one, the class.
no, I'm gonna explain now after this because to save access simulation. So there you go. So this is again same one account. You just add the code, and I'm logging out. I will add this to your Ninja shortly, just to kind of explain you what we are doing. Okay. So
Why it says 9:45?
1 hour शिकागो टाइम. सर एक ये लाइट बंद करेंगे पीछे से, इसको बटन दबा दें बस. Yes, please. Thank you. Perfect, perfect. So, take profit. You have taken. And in this little bit of, I will explain threshold again. Because I keep getting messages after message. They don't understand what is a live trailing threshold. So after I finish, most take profit today is what, August 15. Okay.
Do
You-
we have the limit and threshold too?
Not on the evaluation. So I'll explain. So September 14th. So today you spent $100 USD. So you bought an account, $50,000 is what they gave you as a starting number, and they gave you $2,000 as a not 25, slightly less, but better rules in evaluation. What is your target today? You have approximately 20 days. Okay, because with the holidays, weekends, so now we have 20 days. So that's number one. Time is 20 days. Number two, you have to make $3,000. Okay, so what does that mean? I want to see 53,000 here. Okay. Number three, actually. Minimum, you can do this in, I should write.
Oh, there is a time.
There's a time. You cannot do
In a 1 day.
in a 1 day. So 5 days. You cannot complete the exam before 5 days. So if you did it in 1 day, they're not gonna like it. So, and number 4, so you have a max in this account, you can do maximum $1,500 per day. So if you made $1,500, stop. Okay, that's it. You made 15. You shouldn't, because they will raise your target. So let's assume you have 20 days and I have 5 minimum days. So I'll put 5 boxes. First day you made 1,500. Second day you made 1,500. You pass, right? Third day you can make $1, $1, or lose $1. Like you can do it, no problem. These are the only 4 rules for this company. That's it. There is no other rules.
How about the live threshold?
No, there's no live threshold. So number 5, this is called end of day. Your exam, by the way, I'm writing EA here, meaning that this is called test. They call it test. They don't call it EA. You're doing a test. So you have 20 days to finish it, really 30, but I'm saying 20 trading days. You have to make 3,000. Don't lose 2,000. So that your maximum make 3,000, but max loss is 2,000. There is not a single company better than this right now in the market. Why? If you complete this, you don't have to pay round 2 fees. Number one, it's a bonus, meaning that you just paid $100 and that's directly in a PA for $100. And right now they're running a promotion. If you pass it, we'll give you that $100 back too. Great. So if you lose money, so maximum loss you can always have is 2,000. What does end of day mean? So this is end of day versus live threshold. End of day means you entered 64.72. You bought it, S&P. Price goes to 64.75. You made $150. You see $150 profit. But when you close, price goes to 64.74. So $100 profit, they write $100. No problem. They're not deducting anything. But it only happens in the test. In the pro, it does happen live. So in the pro account, they go to live. So you back to like Apex style. So, but at least gives you a little bit of a freedom in the round one. So this is it, Daniel. All you gotta do is make this happen, and I know you can. I'm not worried. Round two is the easiest one in amongst any company out there. So you pass this, okay? Now I have to say, a lot of people rush. They will issue you a credit. If you pass it, you don't have to make a payment. Some people miss it. They accidentally make a payment. Nothing you can do. So don't pay them. If you have paid them already, once you're about to pay for your PA, it will say choose credit. So this is it.
Do you receive the pass?
You, of course, certificate and everything. You probably have thousands of certificates.
How about the round two?
Round two, slightly, let's, everybody clear here on round one? Any questions on round?
Same as this one.
Bill Knox goes in here.
Let me take a picture.
Yes, it is recorded though.
And when it comes back, you said they would deduct.
Yeah,
from
the difference.
whatever the money
Exactly,
that we
exactly.
Even after
Same.
in
So
PA also they-
same. So only this company doesn't allow you to. So they allow you 5 accounts. Okay, not more than that, because the benefit of this is I have so many people now making $500 a day minimum. What? 5 accounts, $100 each. In the evening they can withdraw it. So again, to recap everything, you have 20 days to finish. Make 3,000. Don't make it before 5. So fastest you can finish in 5. Maximum make 1,500. If you are doing the 25,000 account, it's half, 750 a day. That's the maximum. But your maximum loss is 1,500. You have to make 1,500. You can lose 1,500, right? If you use the SuperAreas code, they're giving you this benefit of. So I will not change anything here. Okay. So now let's go to PA.
And what time you have to close before paying?
4:45. This one is 4:45. Okay. So you successfully managed to go. So now this is called a pro account. They call it PA or pro. Number 1, no time limit. You can take as long as you want. 1 day, 2 days, 10 days. You can do this in 1 day. So no time limit, infinite time. This is gone. This is gone. No, you blow account. They don't give you unlimited money. Same thing. So take profit, you managed to get into pro. You didn't pay anything. You don't have time. All they care about is before they pay you, you need to get to 52,000. So now look at this. So now it's 52,000. So now in the pro account, they said make 2,000 and that's it. These are the only 2, and I should add one more, live threshold. Really, I don't see any other conditions that we have compared to Apex at 8 days, minimum, maximum, 40%, 30%. It's a headache. They said, hey, you are in a pro account, you have 50,000, you have $2,000 threshold, make 2,000. So the moment you make 2,000, you can withdraw anything above 2,000.
Oh,
Not before. So first 2,000, you're they loan you the money, you return the money, leave your money there, right? So if you can make this in 1 day, make it in 1 day. You can make it in 1 day, and in the evening grab everything above $2,000. So let's say for you, that's what I'm saying, a little higher dosage. You play $3,000 and you win. You're above the 2,000, right? In the evening, grab $1,000. Every day, every single day, the moment you reach this 2,000, grab everything above. No, two. Yeah, it's yours every day. Every day is yours. 6 p.m., 9 p.m. is money. And I have people, Ranbir Paji here, they're killing these accounts. 5 accounts, like 2,000, 1,000. मैंने आपको अपने भी दिखाए हुए हैं. Every day. Vice. instant.
Oh, the
Yes.
We have
So-
to connect the wires.
Yeah. So, and now again, this is, goes a bit aggressive. He'll do the P in one day. I know, but you don't have to worry. But now problem is, if he makes higher, he doesn't have to worry about consistency. Oh, I'm gonna make 40%, 30%, because 5-6 days go okay, but just don't let your account go below. Don't blow 2,000. Then otherwise you're back to round one. So that's a live threshold. What's the difference is, and this only applies until 2000. So your live threshold is until two. So the moment you cross 2000, it's end of day now. So I haven't seen it.
Your money, not their money.
Exactly. So what is the, so three conditions: unlimited time, make,
What's that mean now, Louis?
meaning take like to make 2000. This it's not
You can
you.
make it, this 2000 you can make it one day.
Yeah, 1 hour, 1 minute. There's no time. So, but if you want to take 10 days to make it, which I recommend, 200, 100, 200, and then you have a
You have to go
slow, like so, exactly. Live threshold is same. If you bought it 64.72, price went up to 64.75, you close 64.72, 73. They gave you $50, but they deducted $100. So that's how they write it. That's
a
a,
profit you have to take.
yeah, maximum, but whatever the maximum you, they don't make sure 2 ticks at least. They're not letting you go below 2 ticks. You can't take 1 tick.
Oh,
So in that case, they say at least 2 ticks. Take 2 ticks in a trade, meaning $25. You know, so don't go too fast.
for example, how about the mini?
Mini 2 ticks, not 2 points, ticks.
But in the mini, it's going to be just 250.
No. Ticks.
Okay.
1 tick, 2 ticks. So it cannot go 1 tick. 1250 and 1250.
10 on me.
Yes, exactly. Just 37.50. Commission is about $3. Okay. Yeah. Same with Bulldogs. Bulldogs want you to trade for 10 days before they give you any money. Commission is highest commission is Legends, by the way. But after that, everybody is. Mhm.
So is there any funded account without live threshold?
Correct. $750 Purdia capital. But then it gets steeper, right?
And this one, after this, there is no paying, like once we cross.
Yeah.
Monthly renewal.
There's no monthly renewal. Once you go into a, nobody has a monthly renewal. No Bulldogs, no anything. Once you go into stage 2, you can take as long as you want, right? So this company, in your case, you go 5-day finished. Okay, 1 hour you make 3,000.
1,000.
In the evening, 1,000 is yours.
Then you can.
And if you have 5 accounts, 5,000 is yours. That's it. So how do most people operate this? What I know, take 5 accounts, pass 5 accounts, and then once you have 5, $50, $70, 80, once you get to 52,000, withdraw everything above every day.
Now, every address, doesn't matter how many accounts.
Okay. I'm on a live stream. They recommend 1 person, 1 account. I don't know about anything. You can have as many, I'm sure, but they 1 ID, because remember, you did 1 SIN number, right?
Yeah.
So Apex says 20 accounts per household. They say 5 accounts per person. So it's a little bit of different thing. So if you have 3 or 4 wives, because from so, no, Musliman, hai na? So there you go. So it's okay. You can have fun. How are you gonna get the wise money? I don't know from the जो current wife के wife से नहीं निकल रहा, आप कह रहे हैं X से निकलेगा. So this is a real thing. I sent money to Vice to Scotia. It disappeared. So I have money in my Vice. I sent to my Scotia. 19 days money didn't. You know how panic you get?
Yeah.
These are your payouts, right? So I sent a test wire. I said, all right, finally, because I have to move the money from Wise to Scotia to Ninja. Because they don't take directly, Ninja doesn't. I'm like, all right, some money. I said $500, and boom, gets there. And I'm excited. Our account is okay. So the big chunk I want to send disappears. Now, Wise is saying money is gone. Scotia is saying we're not getting anything. So finally, 4 banks and back and forth, we figure out, because Wise, when you have above 10 grand, holds the money at JP Morgan. So they are doing investigation why the money is going. So long story, if you send anybody above 10 grand, you gotta wait 15 days. So 15 days up to it for completion of it. So because I let it build, right? I let it build to about 11, 12 grand. And I'm like, okay, let's move this money from Wise to Scotia to Ninja, right? And then, yeah. So I spent 500.
$10,000.
Yeah. So, but here's it finally reached my account today. So anyway, so this is it. This is the PA account. There's no other condition. The moment you finish 2,000, you can withdraw at 9 p.m. You can withdraw, and they will let you withdraw 80% of it. So if you make 1,000, 80% is yours. 20% is theirs.
Or they take
They instantly, because it's like a daily commission, right? So you work for them. So on my radio, so the fastest you can become a professional trader is 6 days. 6 days. There's 5 days for a EA, 1 day for a PA, and you are done. Like,
But in the Apex, you don't have a commission.
yeah, but Apex waits 8 days. You know how difficult Apex is compared to this? Number one, you gotta do 8 days. You cannot do before 8. Number two, you gotta do $50 minimum per day. That's number two. Number three, you cannot lose 30% of your current trade.
That's my question. What is 30%? For example, from 2,500, from
Yes,
3,000?
from your threshold, 2,500. So you cannot you cannot lose 30% inside a single trade.
I know 30% is going to be
650.
800. No,
800.
800.
Yeah. So sometime if you go negative that, they don't pay you.
Okay. If you don't sell, for example, you have inside.
Yes.
You have let's go. You go down 650,
Yeah.
$700.
Yes.
Then immediately market goes back.
That's fine.
You
But
sell.
as long as you don't go more than 30%. Loss.
Even you don't sell it
Yeah.
to show as a loss.
Yes.
But in the system show as
Yes. No, it's not show as a loss. They detect it.
That's
They don't close your trade. They just say I saw 30% loss in the system. And when the payout comes, they say, oh, no, not good.
The lady, she told me.
Yes.
They deny
But
the
then
payout.
I said, no problem. Trade 8 more days, 50, 50, 50, 50, and get it. That's it. No problem. And then they have, so for my thing, Apex is a little bit going down because of the rule, and this company is going up because of the rule. How long they will be paying like this, I don't know. But for now, they pay daily. No issues.
I think this is much easier, no complicated.
Reasonable, I call it.
Just to try to.
So try one, see how you like. So, and now we'll connect it to Ninja.
And for adding the account,
Just create new test. That's it. Takes 1 minute. Okay, where are we? Price 804. Let me see. I have to tell them promotion runs out Sunday. Somebody did mention me. So this promotion of passing and going next is the 40% promotion is running this Sunday. So if you buy it, buy it before Sunday, right? No, Sunday. Sunday at evening, this take profit promotion, and then they will go back to 30%, right? So
can you go right now, show me how?
okay.
Add one
Yeah,
account,
watch this. Look, it says start new test,
Okay.
50K.
Okay.
Next, make sure you pick Ninja, number 2, and make sure you add the code. Otherwise, they will charge you so much. SuperAreas. So now 102, and then the card. card, check, 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 check. Next, and make the payment. That's it. And next. Do you want?
Yes, you say you make sure it's a ninja.
It's Ninja. First, well, you yes, yes. It was already pressed. None. So now, if you refresh, you have two. Okay.
Now, one question, because I have a five Apex right now.
Yeah, you can connect them all together. They get third candle rejection on 30-20. Worked good. Really good. Third candle rejection, 30-20.
Those five account I just purchased yesterday.
Yeah, no problem.
And I pass it.
Yeah.
So
Okay, so go slow.
it's $300.
Go slow. प्रमोशन संडे को खत्म हो रही है तो हाँ ले ले अभी मुझे एनी डस्ट है. Okay, now it's your job to scare us. Is World War III coming?
Yeah, it's coming. Very soon.
जी मैंने एक डब्बा खोल दिया वो.
Very soon it's going to start.
Can it wait 40 years at least?
That's the wrong move. It's going to finish back.
So market
Exactly.
Everything is going to collapse. One day, all the banks is going to close, and everything is going to be finished. Without even notice.
So after this, Daniel, since you missed the black candle rejection, I'll show you guys too.
I know. What's the matter?
This sir, any testing?
and I gave him back.
No.
That kid had not seen a $5 bill. Like I said, money is in cash.
Wow.
I gave him a $2 coin. He's like, "That's- I've never seen this."
President Trump is gonna come when?
I mean, it's like, oh, like, this is money, actual money. Like, everybody just taps and it's
100. Next generation.
there's no emotional connected money.
All right, Daniel, I've logged out. You're good. Everything looks good. Yeah, I already did.
Oh, I have it right now. I have to. How can I add it? It's my A-Bikes and.
No, just connect. Go to connection and connect.
Yeah, go to connection.
Yeah, I'm here in the connection, but there is a two account now.
अच्छा ये वाला कैंसिल कर देना. हाँ क्योंकि ये रिन्यू ना हो जाए.
Now it's A-Bikes and
Yeah, the click on the profit.
एक क्वेश्चन है, ये रिन्यू उसी प्राइस पे होगा पुरानी वाली तो डेड है ना. मेरी देखें ये चलते रहने दे, नए ले लें. नहीं वो तो रीसेट है ना. रीसेट के डेट नहीं आगे जाती. ठीक है, रीसेट ना करें इसको. रिन्यू वही 100 पे होने दें और ये अलग पड़ा रहे. ठीक, इसको भी कैंसिल नहीं करते ना. इसको वो फिर ब्रांड न्यू आ जाएगा. नहीं 1 by 1 करना पड़ता है. मुझे सारा अकाउंट ही एक दफा करना पड़ता. डाल Now, another Daniel trick for you, I will show you because I know you like to play with the ES. There is a trade called black candle rejection because you test 10 hours a day, something you can test. It's a really, really good way of picking up 4 ticks. So let me just clear this and I'll show you because you then have an idea where to enter. Price is going up. You have black candles, green candles going up, going up. You know, after every 4th candle, black candle appears, right? So if it's changing the direction, right? So
That's a confirmation.
that's a confirmation. So let's say you have a black candle here. And now the green bars start to go up, right? This is how your green bars look. Okay. So this is a very typical move for ES. You have a black candle. So where to do this? 1510 ES. 15, because I've been testing this for 3 months and no stop loss yet. So chart 1510, market ES. I haven't tested this in gold, crude oil, natural gas, just ES, because it's the same way, by the way. You have a black candle, you have an arrow that I'm going up. 1, 2, 3, yeah, go down, doesn't matter. We'll do a reverse too. First, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, black candle, right? Now, when will the next black candle appear? When it makes 4 candles to the down, right? So this is how it happens. It makes a bar here. 1, makes another bar. 2, makes another bar. 3. Now, 1, 2, 3. Now we are hoping you will get a 4th bar and I will get a black candle. Sometimes it doesn't happen and that it just, this is called a fake. All you have to do is wait. Yes. Okay. Okay. Sorry. How do you form a black candle? Okay. Black candle going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up, right? And then we are waiting for the next black candle. 1, 2, 3, 4th black candle won't appear. You can buy from this level right here. You can put a buy stop here from this price. That's it. So if there is a 4th candle here, it will be a black candle. But this order will only get picked if it starts to go back up. So this is how it will go back up. And it will pick, not the 4, but after 3 rejections, it will go back up and it will take you up.
Now, I have a question. When you have after 3 rejection,
Yes.
can you get the right?
I don't recommend until it breaks this, at least this candle, because I want to make sure that, yeah, break the back to the third one and then I can go up, because I truly like to enter at a previous high of the top of the candle. So this is called the buy stop. So you have 1, 2, 3 rejections. You don't have a black candle. Price starts to go back up. You can enter at this level and say, all right, it's going up. As soon as it breaks the previous high, take me with you. So this is called the black candle rejection trade. And you can take this over and over and over and over. No problem. Just like an SRES trade, you do buy stops and sell stops. So let me now double check this on this trade right now to show you guys what I mean. हाँ जी.
Makes, okay, it fails.
हाँ.
The reversal fails and it starts going back.
Yes. तो मैं अभी आपको ना इस पे दिखाता हूँ, ज्यादा आसान हो जाएगा. ये देखिए. हाँ 3, मैं आपको जितने मर्जी ट्रेड हो ऐसे ही आएंगे. Okay.
Good for
4 ticks, no problem. So let's see today. It did happen before. In this trade, Daniel, I'm not doing any Bollinger Band keying. I don't care about RSI. You can watch this because sometime then your brain is saying, oh, I have to look so many other things, right?
Yeah.
I can remove this.
Take it off.
I can remove this. And I keep my chart clean, right? All you have to do is just watch this pattern. So just to go back, I will show data series and let's make 5,000 bars, which is okay. And you will see this happening hundreds of times. Watch. Look at what happened here. What I drew.
Yeah.
One,
Exactly. 3 up.
1, 2, 3, and up. Third, so this is exactly what I drew. You have a black candle.
Yeah.
Your price went up. Then it came down 3 bars. Right here.
Exactly.
3 bars. So 3 bars get rejected. You will pick it up around here. And then you buy it and get your 4 ticks out of it. You can do this hundreds of times. Your 4 ticks are hidden inside this.
Can you go back in there?
Yeah. I will zoom in. I will zoom in and I will show you inside this. Look, price does the same thing over and
Candle.
again.
2 candles.
Going up. 1, 2, 3.
Third one.
Go up. 3 candles are, some people are doing rejection वे क्या ना आप पहली पे लें दूसरी पे मैं तीसरी पे ले रहा हूँ. So third rejection candle.
Yeah, and the downside.
Downside too. You have no candle, just sell. So breakouts. So go if you true. I've tested it for 3 months for 3 candle rejection and it has. हाँ जी.
So if this one.
मैं थोड़ा सा और पीछे ये लेंगे एक और आगे. 1, 2, 3. Buy here.
Okay.
Buy stop कर रहे हैं ना.
It doesn't, yeah.
तो यहाँ से बाई स्टॉप
Third
कर
से.
नहीं यहाँ से ले लें इससे हाई ले लें डजंट मैटर
अच्छा.
जितना मर्जी
हाँ.
क्योंकि पिछले को तोड़ जाए ना सो
So it'll give you 4 ticks.
4 ticks it will give you no problem. ये देखें पीछे मैं जाता रहता हूँ और आपको नजर आती रहेंगी जब जब ये फॉर्मेशन हुई है. एक और हो गई 1, 2, 3 बाई. थर्ड कैंडल का वेट कर लें. अगर तो 4th बन गई तो ब्लैक बन जाएगी. आप छोड़ दें आपको ट्रेड ही नहीं पिक होगा. लेकिन नहीं बनी तो आपको एक गारंटीड मिल रही है कि भाई बाय स्टॉप कर लो और चल पड़ो साथ. ये ओके लेट्स गो बैक अगेन. एक फिर आगे सर 15 टन में इतनी दफा दिन में बन जाती है 4 से पॉइंट.
Can you go back in there?
Okay, on to the downside.
To left. Yeah.
No, that's a black candle. That's not. You have to wait for rejections.
I just want to know why that.
No, because that did form a black candle. So we don't care about that. We are just trying to pick this pattern. That nothing black. So no. Yeah, exactly. So look, it tried to make a black candle here, and it doesn't form. Go back again. 4 ticks is no problem. So I'm put another one. Sir, एक दफा चल पड़े ना, तो ये कल का लगता है मेरा ख्याल है 940 वाला, ये कल वाला है, यहाँ से $187 निकले ट्रेल कर। 3 माह पीछे गया हूँ, आंखें दुख रही थी क्योंकि और पीछे चार्ट भी स्लो हो गया था, लेकिन सिर्फ आपको ईएस के चार्ट टिक्स के लिए ये देखें, फिर जाएंगे, फिर आ गया ब्लैक कैंडल रिजेक्शन, गो अप, टेक 4 टिक्स। एसआरईएस का ही ऑपोजिट है ये, लेकिन हाँ सर फिर आ गया। मैं नहीं फेल हो रहा यार, नहीं फेल हो रहा, क्योंकि हमें ब्लैक कैंडल के बाद का अलर्ट आता है, उससे पहले के नहीं, क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता ना कि फिर आ गया। तीसरी कैंडल रिजेक्ट हुई, ऊपर से बाय स्टॉप किया या सेल स्टॉप किया, 4 टिक्स लिए, बाहर आ गए। देखें पिछले ये इस नंबर से, इस हाई से, ये नंबर है आपका जो आखिरी कैंडल है ना, क्योंकि जब तक वो नहीं चढ़ेगा आपको कंफर्मेशन चाहिए ना। फिर आ गया ये ईएस के लिए, एक सेकेंड, फिर आ गया नीचे के लिए, आ गया, गई थी ऊपर गई, नहीं जा सकी, चली गई, सेल स्टॉप, सेल स्टॉप, सेल स्टॉप राइट हियर, जो हम ब्लैक कैंडल के बाद, सॉरी यहाँ से या यहाँ से ले लें, या चले एक थोड़ा, ये आपकी अपनी मर्जी है, एक्स्ट्रा टिक्स ले सकते हैं, यहाँ से पूरा कंफर्मेशन हो जाती है, अगर दो बार एक टिक तो नहीं चले ना, तो सेल स्टॉप सर। और उसके साथ साथ मैंने एक और चीज नोट की, ये आ जाए ना, अगला मिड बैंड फेल हो रहा है, ये भी तो, क्योंकि उसने यहाँ ब्रेक करने की कोशिश की, नहीं हुआ ना, अगला में कर दिया, तो आपको ये हो भाई पीछे ये आया हुआ नहीं ले रहा, हाँ एग्जैक्टली। लेकिन उसकी रेशियो में देखिए पास भी हुआ है, ये हर दफा फेल नहीं होता। ये देखिए पीछे हैं आप, ये जाते जाएंगे, और ये आपको 3 कैंडल ट्रेड, ये तो दो कैंडल का था, ये फिर 3 कैंडल, 1 2 3, यहाँ से सेल स्टॉप करें आप लोग, एक एक पॉइंट निकालते जाएंगे यार, और मिड बैंड से अगर डर लगता है तो ये ले लें यार। फिर आ गया 1 2 3 4 टेक्स, 1 2, कुछ 2 टिक 2 पे ले रहे हैं, ब्रेकआउट्स पे ब्रेकआउट्स ले जा रहे हैं। सो सिर्फ फिगर आउट करें हाउ टू डू बाय स्टॉप सेल स्टॉप, व्हिच वी ऑलरेडी नो हाउ टू डू इन SRES, स्विंग रिट्रेस एक्सटेंशन, यू हैव बाय स्टॉप सेल स्टॉप। एक सेकंड, इवन कम से कम यहां पर भी 4 टिक्स दे गया, 4 टिक्स मिल जाते हैं जी।
This is also telling us one thing, that most of the mid bands are not going to work after that. It's giving you an indication.
Yes. Let's see. ये देखें, ये पकड़ लिया तो काम, ये वैसे गैप पूरे हफ्ते का हो गया सर। No, buy stop happens when
If it goes up, only then.
then exactly. So you are planning to buy above the current price, it's called buy stop. If you're planning to sell below the current price, buy sell stop. Buy limit and sell limit happen differently. So that's the
Not to go below that.
correct. So नहीं मार्केट टच नहीं, स्टॉप सेल। सो अभी तक तो जी जहां जहां देख रहा हूं, तो सिर्फ एक पैटर्न रिकग्निशन के लो आप पकड़ लें, एंड देन वहां से 2 पॉइंट, एक पॉइंट निकालते जाएं। So
What is the difference between buy market and buy? It's just a tick difference, I guess.
no, sometimes NASDAQ gives you 5 points difference, 10 points difference. Market is, yes. हाँ जी हाँ
And how many macro you can buy and sell in there?
70 I think.
70?
Let me double check right now. I think you can do 70.
What's the commission for micro?
About $2.
$2.
I will make a full video on this topic hopefully tonight. This full exactly where to buy, where to sell, what ATM you have to set up. So I'll upload it on. And the stop loss for this strategy is 19 ticks. Because in case it goes and makes a black candle on the opposite side, you need to be ready. So, you, in this ATM, you will put a stop loss in for 19 ticks, right? Daniel, I'll let you know exactly the. Give me 1 second. It will allow you 6 and 60. Okay, दो अब वो आ जाएंगे. Cancel करना. I don't know what people raise their hands. I can't see on Zoom. What are you watching? 32 attendees. I can't see on Zoom. 806.
They can only type or they can speak at that.
No, they're not supposed to even do anything on Zoom. I can't see Zoom or live. Just send me a WhatsApp, right? So
And this Telegram is gone.
you gotta re-add yourself. It kicks you out after expiry, and then you gotta re-add to yourself.
To which one should I re-add?
No, you have to talk to the bot and do a start again. Click talk, just type in start /start. Opposite side पे बनेगी. So today we only saw this happen once in 3020. That's it. So we haven't. अच्छा बना था वहाँ पे?
मैंने 30-20 लेके लेट हो गया मैंने कैंसिल कर दिया
कोई बात ठीक है. So right around here is your trade. Right around here. Look, 3020. 1 time, 2 time, 3 did not go up. This so on 3020. So if I was to ये देखें ये इतना बड़ा ये ट्रेड बना हुआ है कि so right around here you see this. So 3020 from 1025 to 1048, it made the first, it made the second, it tried to make the third and fourth, never could make it. So you will put your order somewhere around here called sell stop. So right here, sell stop. So the moment you see the third candle not being formed, you can go in the opposite direction and you can enter. ये देखें बाकायदा 3 कैंडल रिजेक्शन है, ये रियली 2 कैंडल रिजेक्शन है, थर्ड पे फोर्थ पे बनी नहीं, बट यू कैन रियली सी इन टर्म्स ऑफ अगेन इसको बार बार आप लोग देखते रहेंगे, आपको पैटर्न रिकग्नाइज हो जाएगा कि हर जगह जाके मैं देख रहा हूँ, ले सकते हैं, लेकिन मुझे 30-20 पसंद नहीं है क्योंकि बहुत स्लो चलता है और अगर फंस गए ना उसका स्टॉप लॉस 34 टिक्स का है, 19 टाइम्स तो that's why. But here, yeah, but here you see 1, 2, 3, you let it rise a little bit, so around here, approximately here would be your buy stop at this price. So, no problem. One, how many ticks it gives you? 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? Abhi time लगेगा.
18 stop loss, right?
19.
19.
Because
Take profit, what?
4.
Four.
4. Hey, right here. Again, you have this setup again. So, right here. Beautiful setup. 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3 rejection. ये 15-10. Eh? पीछे का पीछे.
But color is still on.
Doesn't matter. This one is color. It doesn't. To make this, I'll make this your job easier. Go to indicator, remove even the colors, because the less thing you want to know is the better. I will go and remove even the background color, because the less thing you see, color has nothing to do with this. So in this chart, you don't care about mid-band, you don't care about this trade, you don't care about RSI, you literally just care about I'm getting a black candle rejection or not. I can make it so simple and start removing everything, and I care only about 3 candle rejection. जी सर, हाँ जी, हाँ ठीक है एंड नहीं करना है, नो बस सही है,
नाम लिखे थे।
हाँ नहीं हो गया, ठीक है बिल्कुल सही है, जान दियो जी, कंग्रेचुलेशन। ट्रेड आपने खुद किया, मैंने नहीं किया, तो इट मीन्स के अच्छा काम किया, तो कंग्रेचुलेशन, अनदर सेटअप राइट हियर। All right. In this, I think I can even delete mid-band. Let me see, but that will. I literally, in this chart, I only care about this 3 black candle rejection. And every time, again, I have it here too. Right here. So price will go, oh, sorry.
And also, should we check if it is 4 point closer to area?
No. This again, trying to mix too many things will make it much difficult for you. All you care about in this type of strategy is my black candle get to form or not? No. 1, 2, 3, rejection, go up, buy. That's it. ES, gold, crude oil, natural gas. Let's see. I'm just curious now. Let's take a look at gold. I want to see if this is happening on gold too, right? Because I'm seeing this a lot happening on. Now I'm inside gold. Let's see. Look, same thing in gold. 3 gold में भी आ रही है, वो देखें सर, बहुत स्लो है, मीनिंग नहीं स्लो में ठीक है, फास्ट में नहीं। Let me see. Gold kind of gives a proper. ये दो वाला है, मुझे 3 वाला चाहिए, ये देखें 3 वाला फिर आ गया, 1 2 3, यहाँ से बाय किया, नीचे आ गया। 3 कैंडल रिजेक्शन होती जाए, आपके पॉइंट्स मिलते जाए, ये देखिए ये 2 वाली भी हैं, 2 वाली भी चल रही हैं, लेकिन ये 3 वाली तो बिल्कुल ही वाह चलती है जी। जब 3 कैंडल रिजेक्शन आ गई, आप ये देखें कितना प्यारा, 1 2 3 ब्रेकआउट डन, $100 ये देखें, माइक्रो $10, ये देखें 1 2 आपने यहां से बाय किया 87 से और यहाँ तक आ गए 88 तक, ये $100 बन हो गए 86 तक, ये एक $100 का ट्रेड था। चार का नहीं, वो इनके टिक्स डिफरेंट होते हैं जी, क्योंकि इनके टिक की वैल्यू डिफरेंट है। 10 टिक का $1 है ये देख भाई, लेकिन सेम थिंग ओवर एंड ओवर, द प्राइस इज डूइंग द सेम थिंग। ट्रेंड कंटिन्यू 100% जी, बिल्कुल सही आपने उसको पकड़ा है। गोल्ड में कम हो रहा है लेकिन कम हो रहा है। चलें रसल में देख लेते हैं जी। क्रूड ऑयल, क्रूड ऑयल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट यही वाला है। क्रूड ऑयल इज सितंबर, ऑलराइट। क्रूड ऑयल के भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में, बिकॉज इट्स वी ऑलवेज गो टॉक अबाउट ईएस, बट बाकी चीजें भी उसी तरह चलती हैं जी। 3 कैंडल रिजेक्शन, लेट मी सी, आंखों को बहुत ये रखिए, आई है सर, ये $1000 का होता है, $1 क्रूड ऑयल।
इसमें हम लोग तो
क्यों नहीं कर सकते? अपना अकाउंट साइज देखें, डाल दें, फंडेड में कर, ये देखें 3 कैंडल रिजेक्शन आपने यहां से ली बाय, ठीक है, 62.15 से और 62.36 तक गई, तो काफी पैसे बन जाते हैं क्रूड। ये हर 3 कैंडल रिजेक्शन दे रही है यार, हर 3 कैंडल रिजेक्शन 4 टिक्स दे रही है। आप मार्केट में घुस जाओ, आप ये देखें 3, ये देखें ये 2 दफा दिया इसने, एक और 2, ये फिर देंगे सर। हाँ, लेकिन हमारे पास एटीएम है, वो फेलियर रेट ज्यादा है क्योंकि वहां से ऊपर चढ़ जाती है, तो वो हाँ, लेकिन वो तो ऑफ कोर्स, आप तो कोई मैं यहाँ पर भी खरीदूं, मैं यहाँ पर भी खरीदूं, लेकिन जब ट्रेड लगता है ना तो हालत हो जाती है बुरी। नहीं देख, बाद में तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। ये इतने मिड बैंड अच्छे चले, ये इतने, लेकिन ये वाला ट्रेड डेफिनेटली क्योंकि मैंने स्टॉप लॉस देखना है ना। आपने यहाँ बाय किया, लेट्स से यहाँ पर बाय किया कि ब्लैक कैंडल के बनते ही, लेकिन अगर वो बनते ही नीचे आ गई फिर आपकी हालत हो जाएगी खराब, राइट। तो ब्लैक कैंडल वाला ट्रेड हम रेकमेंड नहीं करते, हम कहते हैं ब्लैक कैंडल की रिजेक्शन वाला ले लो, वो ज्यादा आसान है। अभी तक ये देखें, ये फिर आ गया 3, हर थोड़ी देर, हर ब्लैक कैंडल के बाद एक रिजेक्शन वाला आ जाता है।
आज बहुत कम आ रहे हैं।
आज नहीं आया,
तैयार हो गया।
अब देखें आगे फ्यूचर कोई और पकड़ लेते हैं। लेट मी टेक ए लुक एट क्रूड ऑयल हो गया, रसल देख लेते हैं, क्योंकि रसल, डाउ जोन्स, द ईएस, नैस्डैक तेज बहुत है, बट और लेट्स टेक ए लुक एट रसल। Russell is different too, but let me take a look at Russell because I didn't study. नहीं अभी नहीं आया। ये देखें, ये आया 1 2 3, क्योंकि मुझे एग्जैक्ट 3 वाला चाहिए ना, 3 के, ताकि मैंने अगर अपनी कॉन्फर्मेशन लेनी है तो मैं परफेक्ट लूँ ना। ये देखें फिर 3 वाला आ गया, कितने 3 वाले आ गए सर। 3 2 वाले भी लोग ले रहे हैं, लेकिन थर्ड वन इज बेटर, पिछले हाई पे, बिकॉज देन दैट्स अ कंफर्मेशन, नाउ आई एम गोइंग ब्रेकआउट ट्रेड।
अगर उसके ऊपर लेंगे 4 टिक तो आराम से
4 टिक्स मिल रहे हैं। अब फिर आप एटीएम लगा दें ऑटो ट्रेल वाली कि जी 4 होगा ना प्रॉफिट, तो मेरा ट्रेड 0 हो जाए। सो here you can do an auto trail. So let's see, इसकी वीडियो बनी हुई है हमारे पर चैनल, so I will go, where is my mouse? Okay, so this is called an auto trail. So you set up 2020, let's say 2020, and then you say I would like to trail this. There's a full video on it. At what point I want break even? You say, you know what, let's do if you are doing normally it's 10, क्योंकि आप मार्केट को ब्रीदिंग रूम तो दें ना, ये इसको भी चढ़ने के लिए। तो बट लेट्स से you say at 5 ticks I want to trigger a break even. I want my stop loss to move to 0. In this trade, I will only pay commission. So, and one stop, and you set up 4, and you set up, I think you can do, what's your profit trigger? 441 maybe. There you go. Something like this. I have to double check. What this will do is you stop for $50 profit. You moved your stop loss to 0. Now you will not lose money. As the trade goes up, it will move behind 1 tick. So this is called an auto trail strategy. It is available on, the full video is here on YouTube on our channel called How to Auto Trail. So YouTube, SuperAreas Algo.
So we have to customize the
So
strategy.
you have to customize the strategy. And if I go under videos, I can search for, it's called auto. If you search right here, it says auto plotting, auto trailing right here. So it kind of tells you how the price will move based on your right here. So around 1 hour into 10 minutes into it, I go and explain how to trail your profits automatically. So I call them mid band. So these are the, so videos are all there on how to set up auto trail at YouTube पे हमारे official channel पे.
क्या डेट है?
ये जी है जी, इसको सर्च करेंगे, ये 6 months ago किया है. So it's called the auto trailing stop loss. So
We can toggle between the
see,
market.
okay, let's see if this is a third black candle rejection. नहीं जा रही ना. So मैं रसल पे देखता हूँ जी, buy stop. Let's see if I will go and picking up around here. Look, first candle, second, third, it's not going down. Give me a second. Actually, ये wrong है, यहाँ नहीं है. ये तो already, ये top of the, ये बन चुकी है candle, बन चुकी है. So here you can sell somewhere around here. This is called the, I will move this trade, top of the bar, sell limit. So now I'm selling from top of the bar. So if it had picked it up, it would have given me some points, but it's
Only the very early moments it will.
yeah.
pick it
Look
up.
how fast this is moving. This is Russell. So if I had picked it up somewhere around here, top of the bar, so this is a top of the bar order. It's sell limit. I want price to go and pick me up from here. I'm not chasing the price. I'm coming behind. So these are called, there you go. I'll keep moving my order to the top of the bar. No, you can't.
We can't.
You can't attach it to the candle. Not see, but look, if that one trade would have been pretty good. Let's see.
Only when the trend changes, then only.
All right, let's see if it picks me up. All right, it got picked up. Top of the bar. Let's see if it makes a black candle or, so I opened it up with 2020. The top of the bar order got picked up, $35. See, Russell moves differently, right? So this means 3 ticks I got, 4 ticks I got, top of the bar. So every 4 ticks, 5 ticks, हो गया जी, trade खत्म हो गया. So I can move this, maybe my stop loss in the middle. Now I have locked it. This nobody will, and I will leave, maybe I will exit here. So this is how I open all my trades with an ATM 2020, and then I move it based on where I like to have it. So
Do you have a video about this?
everything, lots. It's all online. There you go, done हो गया. इतना सा सर आसान नहीं लगता जब मेरे हाथ लग रहे होते हैं.
कभी लगता है ये आप हम कर देते
ये हाथ वो कौन सी फिल्म में था, ये हाथ हमें चाहिए
बोला मैंने
अपने प्रॉफिट के लिए हमें मरवाओगे भाई. So there you go. If I was trailing more, so that was the top of the bar trade. Bar up, bar down. So many hundreds of trades are.
yes में भी आया था
Let me go back to ES here, and there you go. There we go. Okay. हाँ जी
ये ES में ये बताइए 1142 पे जो विक थी इसका इस बिग ट्रेड में
नहीं ये तो टॉप ऑफ द बार ट्रेड है हाँ टॉप ऑफ द बार
इसकी नेक्स्ट वर्दी पे लगा
यस
I remember got it
749 we're in the middle
हो गया प्रमोट
हो गया
भाई 4 बजे लगेगा ठीक हो जाएगा जब तक क्लोज करके 12 की वेबसाइट पर 4:15 के बाद से पहले उसका ऑफिस क्लोज होता है 1 लाख कितने दिए थे
वन अप वैसे पे आउट आने शुरू हो गए मुझे कल पहला मैसेज आ गया वन अप पे वन अप
$200 पिक्चर ये अभी एकदम इस पे 40 पे सेटिंग होगी
वो खुद ही नजर आ जाएंगे So 13 minutes European candle is going to close. Putin and Russia.
ट्रम्प तो लड़ रहा हुआ है 11:30 थी उनकी मीटिंग ऐसे ठीक ही होगा वो पुतिन कभी भी नहीं आता यूएस में It's already started 11.
The price went to 734. So let me write it down. 734 did not go to our expected low yet.
Connect my thanks copy.
Yeah, it's there. Yeah, I didn't touch it.
Means chances are still there.
Still expected low is valid. It didn't go to 700. Let's see if fib box gets respected. All right, guys, 8 minutes to go before the show is over for today. And I'll upload the session after this, the brief, the FAQs and everything. And this, at least weekend, I'll try to get you guys this black candle rejection strategy. So video, so you guys can manually put in the trades.
The black candle is formed when continuous three rejection.
Four.
Trend, four rejection trend
Not rejection, in trend, the 4 times price has moved
again.
in against the opposite.
And about 250 tips, not many places it has much.
It's a complicated chart. I don't recommend it for. From 734 went back up. Maybe it's chance to.
No. Hello?
That's the
That's good. Okay, you have a screen open? Screen? Can you see the screen? Okay. Then can you read the note?
No.
Okay. Okay. Can you read what is that?
फिर से ही वापस आया
No, no. Exactly, I told you this. Tell me, and you can read them. Not yet. Okay. No. 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 Thank you. No. Come on. Yeah. Zero. No.
Okay. All right, guys. For me, I'm going to shut it down. Europe is closed. So 3020 has a bit of a SRES to the upside. Let's take a look. Because when it makes, I'm not taking this midband or anything like that. So see you guys Monday at 9 o'clock.